Welcome back to the Infinitely Efficient Machines Lab. In this video, we're going to talk about why there's no such thing as losses in any machine. And if we look specifically at an electric motor, which we have here, which is basically receiving electrical input, and for all intents and purposes, it strongly appears as though the electrical input is being converted to mechanical output, but that's an illusion. Because, as we demonstrated in the previous video, 100% of the input energy that's going in, the electrical input energy that's going into the motor is being converted and dissipated as heat. Now, when a conventional engineer evaluates the performance of a motor, the efficiency of the motor, of an electric motor, they look at the input, and they measure the mechanical output, and they say that this motor is 90% efficient or 95% efficient or whatever it is, and the 5% are losses. Now, there are no such thing as losses. This electric machine, and another misconception that is prevalent in the scientific community, is that an electric machine or any machine operates at less than 100% efficiency. That's not true. Every single machine apparatus on the planet operates at 100% efficiency, and the law of conservation of energy ensures that that is so, because the law of conservation of energy states that energy can't be created, that's a false statement, or destroyed, and can only be converted from one form to another. The law of conservation of energy doesn't say that energy can be lost. There's only conversion. So if we look at this electric motor as with Michael Faraday's original motor, and we look at the conversion of electrical input, the electrical input energy, and its conversion to heat energy as an output, not as a form of loss or whatever, as an actual work being performed, heating the wire and producing a heat output, we will find that 100% of the electrical input energy that's going in is being converted to heat. So that begs the question then, where is the mechanical energy coming from? If this electric motor is 100% efficient at converting electrical input to heat output, then we need another source of energy in order to get the mechanical output. And the source of energy that is responsible for producing the mechanical output at infinite efficiency is the induced electromagnetic field energy that is created around the current-bearing wires that make up the coils in the electric motor. So anytime you hear anybody talk about losses, there's no such thing as losses. There is only conversion, and this electric motor, number one, it's operating at 100% efficiency, converting electrical input to heat, and it's operating at infinite efficiency at converting electromagnetic field energy, which is created, to mechanical output. That's basically, that's how every electric motor works. And if you want to ignore, if you want to ignore Ohm's law and the power rule and joule heating of the wires inside the electric motor, if you want to ignore those in your calculation of electric motor efficiency, go ahead. But that efficiency that you're calculating is 100% wrong. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.